Hello everyone, on the behalf of Siri Aurobindo Society, I Aarti welcome you all. Today I'm gonna talk about an interesting innovative idea compiled by ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Educational Initiatives. In this video I'm gonna talk about an innovative idea, homework experiential learning from the surroundings, from new age teaching techniques by the innovative teachers of Uttar Pradesh. The chapter I'll be covering from this idea is Fruits and Vegetables from NCRT Class 1, Chapter 5. The subject is English and the time duration for this activity is 20 minutes. That also depends on the strength of your class. So the innovation here is to connect topics in the class in the school with the immediate environment through observational and hands-on experience with the help of parents and guardians. In this activity, teacher will instruct student to do the following with the help of their parents. First, write the name of 5 fruits or vegetable in your notebook. Categorize them as fruit or vegetables and define the color of the fruit or vegetable. So for example, the name is tomato, so student will categorize tomato as vegetable, and the color will be red. So and discuss their observation next day in the class and tell the student that fruits and vegetables are healthy for our body. The concept that is covered from the idea is to revise the naming words. From this idea, students learn to carry out the simple instructions such as shut the door, bring me the book, and such others. Listen, and the student learn to listen English word, greetings, polite forms of expression, simple sentences, and respond in the same language. Homework needs to be experiential and hands on. The core life skills that can be included are critical thinking and interpersonal skills. The values that can be touched upon is gratitude, showing appreciation to others, especially to the family members. Benefits of using the idea for children with special needs are experiential learning takes student from abstract world to the real world, making their learning long lasting. It will help children with the autism to develop concept about the new places and things. For this interesting innovative idea, that's all. If you like the video, and if you want more video interesting innovative ideas from us, then please like, share, and subscribe our official channel ZIIEI, and you can download our official ZIIEI innovative Pathshala app from Google Play Store. Thank you.